Welcome, everyone. I'm so excited to share my experience and talk about this 3D canvas, so this brand new tool integrated with Legacy Display to face challenges and to work on your projects. Thank you, Michel, for this super opportunity, and thanks to the LSP magazine. Yeah, but who is Daniele? Because should be a right question for you. Let me start from my path. So from my career, I'm a business engineer. I started as a, let me say, standard consultant in the automotive and the energy sector. And in 2012, I splitted my path into main areas: the digital and open innovation one, and the business model design one. In 2016, I decided to group all my experience in Innovation Lab, and I also got my certification in Legacy Display. I co-created LSP Hub, I co-created LSP Link, and a lot of nice projects. Let's go deeper in the 3D canvas. So this tool that will enable you to discover, design, and define what you should do, for example, to face your challenges, or to improve your products, or to improve your services, and whatever it's relevant for you in your business. It is a brand new canvas, and it is based on three key elements: the Moscow method, the SWOT analysis, and the action plan design. How it works. Now we will do, if you have Post-its or bricks, for sure, you can play with them, and I will try to give you an example. So you will be able maybe to bring some new elements in your luggage after this session. The first step is to think about something new in your business area. If you work on products, should be a new product or a product innovation, for example. If you work in a service area, it could be a new service. For example, if you're a trainer, you can think about a new training, for example, or how to improve my actual trainings. If you manage a team, for example, you can maybe think to how can we improve our collaboration inside our team. It is the three key elements on this canvas. And if we look to these three elements, you can identify the first and second step, able to discover, for example, the aspiration. Last but not least, you can define actions to transform the actual situation into something bigger, better, or innovated or evoluted. So this is how it works. And when you can use this kind of tool? Well, let me say, every time, because it does not have a content, but it is just a structure. And as I told you, if you work on product development or product innovation, you can use it. Or if you work on service design, because you can use it also for services. You can use it if you have to develop a new app or a new website or a new platform, because you can use. And as I told you, last but not least, if you want to work with your team. For example, if you think about the rule of the game of our team. So this is the, let me say, a sort of point of view about this tool and when you can apply this tool. And what about Legacy Display? Yes, because this kind of canvas could be used with Post-its. Why not? But let me say that with Legacy Display, you can enrich this canvas. If you want more details, for sure, as Michel said, you will find the booklet on the LSP magazine website. But let me share with you some key elements inside the booklet. You will find the Moscow method application, so some theory about the Moscow method. You will find why LSP is really relevant and when LSP is relevant. For sure, you can find how to apply Legacy Display to this 3D canvas. You can see some examples, quick tips about logistics, materials, and a workshop roadmap. The bundle, the pack, will include the booklet, a webinar. So we will do a webinar to maybe go deeper in some in some parts of the canvas, or for example, on the options, on the optional parts, and a detailed plug and play roadmap. So it will, you will be able to run the workshop just changing the number of the participants, because for sure the roadmap depends on the number of participants, and it will be part of your toolkit. So I think that I am on time, so thank you. And